Our son Rohan is always on his mobile. He spends hours scrolling through social media and playing games. We want him to engage in more productive activities. Yes, and we know that Rohan is very fond of astronomy. He spends a lot of time reading about stars and planets. I think we should encourage his interest in astronomy. That's a great idea. How about we buy him a telescope for his birthday? That's a wonderful idea. Let's find the best astronomy store in Kolkata. Listen to this review. Skywatching Workshop is the best astronomy store in India. They offer a wide range of telescopes and provide excellent customer service. Let's visit the store and see what they have to offer. Welcome to Skywatching Workshop. I understand that your son is interested in astronomy. We have a wide range of telescopes that would be perfect for him. That's great to hear. We want to encourage his interest in astronomy and keep him away from his mobile. I understand. We not only sell telescopes but also provide guidance and support to our customers. We can help your son set up the telescope and teach him how to use it. That's exactly what we were looking for. Can you recommend a good telescope for a beginner? I would recommend the Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ. It's a high-quality telescope that's perfect for beginners. It's easy to set up and use, and it offers clear and detailed views of the night sky. Rohan is going to be so surprised and happy when he sees the telescope. Yes, and with this telescope, he can explore the wonders of the universe and forget about his mobile. Wow, this is amazing. I can see the moon, planets, and the stars so clearly. We're so glad that you're enjoying it, Rohan. Your father and I want you to follow your passion and explore the world of astronomy. Yes, and we're grateful to Skywatching Workshop for their excellent service and guidance. Skywatching Workshop, encouraging the next generation of astronomers. Visit our store today and explore the wonders of the universe.